Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Les Cedres is a municipality in western Quebec located along the north shore of the St. Lawrence River, west of Montreal and near the Ontario border. The community is part of the Vaudreuil-Soulanges region and has a population of roughly 7,000 people. Les Cedres is known for its waterfront scenery, residential neighborhoods, farmland, and transportation link connecting Quebec and Ontario. The history of Les Cedres is closely connected to the St. Lawrence River, which has served as one of Canada's most important transportation routes for centuries. Indigenous peoples traveled and traded along the river long before European settlement because it linked communities across northeastern North America. French settlers later established farms and villages along the river banks during the 1700s, taking advantage of fertile farmland and access to transportation. The region gradually became part of the agricultural and trading network that shaped early Quebec. The name Les Cedres comes from the cedar trees that once grew in large numbers throughout the area. Forests, wetlands, and riverfront landscapes helped define the region before large-scale settlement took place. Over time, agriculture became the foundation of the local economy, with farms producing dairy products, crops, and livestock across the fertile St. Lawrence Valley. Even today, farmland remains an important part of the landscape surrounding the municipality. Les Cedres also became known for its role in transportation and navigation along the St. Lawrence River. Before modern canals and seaway systems existed, this section of the river included rapids that made travel difficult for ships and boats. During the 19th century, canals and lock systems were developed nearby to help improve navigation between Montreal and the Great Lakes region. These transportation improvements helped support trade, shipping, and economic development throughout western Quebec and eastern Ontario. One of the most important events affecting the region was the construction of the St. Lawrence Seaway during the 1950s. This massive engineering project modernized shipping routes between the Atlantic Ocean and the Great Lakes, allowing large ocean-going vessels to travel farther inland into North America. The project transformed shorelines, canals, and transportation systems throughout the St. Lawrence Valley. Nearby hydroelectric projects and navigation channels permanently changed the landscape of the region and strengthened the economic importance of the river corridor. The St. Lawrence River continues to shape daily life in Les Cedres today. Waterfront areas and nearby parks provide opportunities for boating, fishing, and recreation during the warmer months. Marinas and river access point attract residents and visitors interested in outdoor activities connected to the water. Seasonal weather strongly influences the landscape, from green summers and colorful autumn foliage to snowy winters common throughout southern Quebec. Transportation remains an important part of the municipality's identity. Autoroute 20 passes nearby and connects Les Cedres with Montreal to the east and eastern Ontario communities to the west. Railways and highways passing through the region have supported residential and commercial growth during recent decades. Many residents now commute to larger urban centers while continuing to enjoy the peaceful lifestyle found in smaller St. Lawrence River communities. Les Cedres has experienced gradual population growth as more people move outside major cities looking for residential communities with more space and access to nature. Newer housing developments have expanded parts of the municipality, while older rural roads and farmland continue to reflect the area's agricultural history. The balance between residential growth and natural surroundings gives the community a distinct character within the Vaudreuil-Soulanges region. Nature remains one of the defining features of Les Cedres. The St. Lawrence River supports fish, birds, and wildlife throughout the region, while nearby forests, wetlands, and agricultural fields create a varied landscape shaped by the seasons. Outdoor recreation, including cycling, boating, walking, and fishing, remains popular throughout much of the year. The river and surrounding countryside continue to provide much of the scenic character associated with Western Quebec communities along the St. Lawrence Valley. Today, Les Cedres represents the combination of transportation history, agriculture, and waterfront living that has shaped many communities along the St. Lawrence River. The municipality continues to grow while remaining connected to its rural and historical roots. Visitors passing through Les Cedres experience a community influenced by centuries of river travel, farming, and settlement in one of the most historically important corridors in Canada. Thanks for watching!